one call. Then everything changed. What would you do if someone you loved called you 3 times and you ignored every call? Would you call back later? Or would you think, I will talk to them tomorrow? For Rahul, it was just another busy evening. He was working on his laptop. His phone was next to him. Then it rang. Mom calling. Rahul looked at the screen. He was busy, so he pressured decline. He did not know that this small decision would change his life forever. Rahul was 24-year-old. He lived in a small town, but he had a big dream. He wanted to move to a big city and get a good job. His father ran a small shop. His mother stayed at home. They were not rich, but Rahul's parents always supported him. After college, Rahul moved to Delhi. At first, life was difficult. He lived in a small rented room. He cooked simple food. Sometimes he had only enough money for one meal. But Rahul did not complain. He wanted to succeed. Every morning he went to work. Every night he studied new skills. Slowly his life started changing. He got a better job, then he got a promotion. His salary increased. He started buying better clothes. He bought a new phone. He made new friends. And slowly, sometimes else changed. Rahul started calling his parents less. At first, he called every day, then every 2 days, then once a week. His mother often asked, Rahul, are you eating properly? Yes, mom. Are you sleeping well? Yes, mom, I'm busy. She always smiled, okay, son, take care. But she missed him. One Sunday morning, Rahul received a message from his mother. Call me when you are free. Rahul saw the message. He was getting ready to go out with his friends. He thought, I will call him tonight. But he forgot. That evening, he was tired. He went to bed. The next morning, he saw another message. Good morning, son. Have a nice day. Rahul smiled and typed, Good morning, mom. Then he put his phone away. He thought it had plenty of time, but sometimes unexpected happened. One Wednesday evening, Rahul was preparing for an important office presentation. His manager had given him a big project. If Rahul did well, he could get another promotion. His laptop was open. His presentation was almost ready. Then his phone ringing. Mom calling. Rahul looked at it. He was nervous about his presentation. He pressed decline. A few minutes later, the phone rang again. Mom calling. Rahul became annoyed. He declined the call again. Then his phone rang for the third time. This time, Rahul turned his phone to silent. He said, I will call her later. He went back to work. The next morning, Rahul gave his presentation. It was successful. His manager smiled. Excellent work, Rahul. Everyone congratulated him. Rahul felt proud. He immediately called his mother. The phone rang. No answer. He called again. Still no answer. Rahul thought she must be busy. Then his father called. Rahul answered happily, Dad, I got the promotion. There was silence. Then his father said quietly, Rahul, his voice sounded different. Your mother is in the hospital. Rahul stopped smiling. What happened? She was not feeling well last night. Is she okay? His father did not answer immediately. Then he said, She wanted to talk to you. Rahul's heart started beating fast. He remembered the three calls: mom calling, mom calling, mom calling. He felt terrible. He whispered, I should have answered. Rahul took the first bus home. The journey felt endless. He kept looking at his phone. He opened his mother's message. There were so many pictures of food, pictures of their old house, a photo of his father's new glasses, and one message from that evening: Son, I wanted to hear your voice. Raul's eyes filled with the tears. He had been chasing successfully, but he had forgotten the people who wanted to celebrate that success with him. When Rahul reached the hospital, his father was sitting outside. Rahul ran towards him. Dad, his father stood up. Rahul asked, Mom. His father looked at him. She is sleeping. Rahul entered the room quietly. His mother was lying on the bed. She looked weak. Rahul sat beside her. Rahul sat beside her. He had her hand. After a few minutes, she opened her eyes. She smiled. Rahul, he could not control his tears. I'm sorry, Mom. She looked confused. Why are you sorry? I ignored your calls. His mother smiled softly. You were busy. Rahul shook his head. No, Mom, I was not too busy. I just thought I had more time. His mother had his hand. Son, success is important, but don't forget the people who love you. Rahul nodded. He stayed with her that night. For the first time in many years, he did not check his email. He did not check social media. He did not think about his promotion. He simply sat beside his mother and listened. But that was not the biggest surprise. A few days later, Rahul returned to Delhi. He wanted back to work, but he was different. Every morning, before opening his laptop, he called his parents. Sometimes the call lasted 30 minutes, sometimes only 5 minutes, but he called. One evening, his manager asked, You seem happier these days. What changed? Rahul smiled. I learned something important. What? Rahul looked at his phone. Some calls can wait, but some calls should not be ignored. Months later, Rahul received another promotion. His company wanted him to move to another country. It was an huge opportunity. Everyone told him, You must take it. Rahul looked at his parents. Then he made a decision. He accepted the job, but he also arranged for his parents to move closer to him because Rahul finally understood something. Success means nothing if you have no one to share it with. And that one missed call taught him the biggest lesson of his life.